Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. If we open a quarrel between past and present, we shall find that we have lost the future. People are great at keeping secrets they don't know. Success is stumbling from failure to failure, with no loss of enthusiasm. Kites rise highest against the wind, not with it. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. One ought never to turn one's back on a threatened danger and try to run away from it. If you do that, you will double the danger. But if you meet it promptly and without flinching, you will reduce the danger by half. If you're going through hell, keep going. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often. This is no time for ease and comfort. It is time to dare and endure. You can never tell whether bad luck may not after all turn out to be good luck. I am fond of pigs. Dogs look up to us. Cats look down on us. Pigs treat us as equals. Courage is rightly esteemed the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees all others. I never worry about action, but only inaction. The power of man has grown in every sphere, except over himself. The inherent vice of capitalism is the unequal sharing of blessings. The inherent virtue of socialism is the equal sharing of miseries. Power is a drug. Whoever has tried it at least once is poisoned by it forever. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something, sometime in your life. Every man should ask himself each day whether he is not too readily accepting negative solutions.